All right, so this one's a Cabana roof deck. And even though it's not massive and it's not attached to the main living space, this type of deck still has to perform exactly the same as any other fiberglass system we do. Because if water gets through this, it's going into the structure below. So size doesn't really matter here. Performance does. When we got here, the framing was solid, but we needed a clean, consistent surface to build the system properly. So we installed half-inch AC plywood over the existing CDX decking. That gives us a smoother, more stable base for the fiberglass system, and it's going to eliminate inconsistencies on the substrate. Once that was installed and secured correctly, we went ahead and fiberglassed the entire surface as one continuous system. Now, this deck looks flat when you're standing on it, but it's not. There's actually a subtle pitch built into it. You can see how everything is directed towards those three drains along the edge. That slope is intentional. Water should never sit on a roof deck. It should always be moving somewhere. Each of those drains was properly tied into the fiberglass system so there are no exposed seams or weak transition points. Drains are one of the most common failure areas if they're not integrated correctly, so this part matters. After the fiberglass was cured, we finished everything with a gel coat. That's your final protective layer. That's what's going to handle the UV, the weather, and everything else this roof deck is going to see over time. And that's really it. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it's done the right way. Proper substrate, proper sloping, drains integrated correctly, and a full fiberglass system finished with a gel coat. It's a small roof deck, but the same standards apply because at the end of the day, it either performs or it doesn't.